Today we're going to go over the top 5 health benefits of ginger. Make sure to watch until the very end to see how ginger can help reduce nausea. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. One of the coolest things about ginger is that it can actually be used for natural pain relief. Ginger may support your joints and reduce the pain associated with exercise movements. Exercise and stress on the body can lead to an inflammatory reaction that can lead to painful symptoms. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many chronic illnesses such as heart disease, autoimmune disorders, and cancer. Because ginger acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, it tends to be helpful to those who suffer from day-to-day joint and muscle pain. The active ingredients in raw ginger are gingerol, shawgale, and paradol. They are responsible for many of the positive anti-inflammatory effects of ginger. Ginger has been shown to suppress the development of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are small cell-released proteins for contact with other cells in the body. The cytokines are responsible for the upregulation of inflammatory reactions. So ginger has been shown to reduce the rates of inflammation that these pro-inflammatory cytokines may induce, so it's only normal that the inflammation also decreases. Number 2. Ginger can be used for fighting off infections. The positive impact of ginger on infections is again attributed to gingerol. Ginger is a potent antibacterial agent that prevents bacteria from spreading and protects the body. Potential use for ginger may be to combat bad oral bacteria that can cause diseases such as gingivitis, which is a gum disease that can cause bad breath. Another application of ginger is to combat respiratory infections. Taking ginger on a daily basis could help your body combat attacks from different bacteria. Number 3. Ginger is also great for maintaining good heart health. Ginger tends to have a significant impact on cardiovascular disease and prevention. Ginger may be able to reduce blood sugar and oxidized lipoproteins, which all leads to heart disease and diabetes. This indicates positive effects of ginger on the blood and the heart for possible cardiovascular disease remedies. One study showed that when ginger is ingested, the blood can be prevented from binding together and forming dangerous clots. Ginger can help prevent fat from being deposited into the arteries to help prevent heart attacks and stroke. Number 4. High blood pressure is a common symptom of the North American diet due to highly processed foods. Ginger has been used to improve blood pressure by functioning as a vasodilator, which enhances the blood vessels. This helps to increase circulation in the body, which decreases increased blood pressure. Ginger also contains potassium, a mineral that has been shown to help reduce blood pressure. Ginger also includes salicylates, which is a component found in aspirin that serves as a blood thinner. Number 5. Last but not least is something you probably didn't know about ginger, but it can be used to help deal with nausea. In several cases, nausea comes from various sources. Overall, ginger has been shown in research to reduce symptoms of feeling sick. Those include nausea caused by seasickness, morning sickness, chemotherapy, post-surgery, and also nausea due to pregnancy. There are many applications to using ginger, like adding it to your stir-fry or making ginger tea. There are also supplements that you can get that are essentially just ginger capsules if you just want to consume it by itself. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.